I'm Jody Jenner. I'm the President and CEO of Broadlawns Medical Center, and we're standing in front of the new entry to the hospital here. We just completed it here about a week, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, here we're standing right now in the main lobby of the new hospital, the main entrance. About 8,000 total square feet. It's about 8 times the size of what we used to have prior to construction. We've got about an additional 16,000 square feet of a new emergency department, about another 6,000 square feet for a new urgent care center and walk-in clinic. And one thing that we're really pleased and proud of is that the throughput here is much better, much improved from what it was in the past. It's a much more efficient layout. It's better for patient care. Just a much safer environment. It's a very quiet environment. Just a much more comfortable environment for our patients.